Make a great choice today with the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.